Hello viewers, my second video on Google Map. Thumbnail of the first video will be available at the end of this video. These are the 6 points of video. So the first, save home or workplace to reach back in just one click. Open Google Map. Click this sign to reach the current exact position where you are standing. And now Google sign or Google Map sign. Now click simply home, work, or you can also find others in more. Use your current location and then simply click continue. Save the location and now you can get back your home or office with just one click or without searching on Google Map. Click done. Now let's check your travel history of past. Click your logo or your picture on Google Map and then your timeline. Open it. And now today will appear, so open this and give it a range of days, month, or even years. That's up to you. Feedback the range and now you will see that this was the area where I travel around. Now sharing location on Google for specific time or tell you of it, so simply open Google Map, then your logo or picture and then location sharing. Open this, a new window appear and we will simply proceed plus minus to increase decrease time in hours or until you off it, take it, and below are the message chat, Gmail, etc. medium for sharing. Now share your location to someone privately, live location or static location. So let's go WhatsApp and then open a person, then simply attachment and then location. And now this option appears, send your current location. This is static location. Through this way you will move, but the location you shared with the person would be static. Now let's share the live location. So this location will go along with you wherever you move. This location will move. It's time 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. So click send and it's the best way. I also use it very much. So you can also see the difference between static and live location. Save instant exact location to reach back the point. Open Google Map and then current location sign, stretch the map a little, long press and click save. Now you can save in any of the box or you can also create a new list. So let's open it, give it a name. This is the instant location where you are standing, so through this way you can reach back the exact point with single click and without any error. This is one of the best features of Google Map. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.